Well, Uber officially just got banned. We are going to take a look into this. This is not good. This is a really sad story about what just happened, and we're gonna get into it. Please thumbs up the video to help spread awareness. Before I get started, I wanted to tell you all about our new service. So some of you guys know that we recently launched Rideshare University, which is an awesome new program for drivers looking to earn how to make more money. And you can start your free trial for 7 days with our link below. But look at this. The Foreign Office has just banned Uber after driver, I can't even want to say that, but basically this it's not looking good. Basically, I don't want to get into the details because it's honestly just really sad, but basically what ended up happening was a Uber driver did something really bad to a passenger, and you know, the Foreign Office in Lebanon, they said, you know what, we're banning you guys. We're banning Uber. It's not safe. And I agree, like driving for Uber is not a safe task. You're in an enclosed environment with another stranger. Passengers can create fake names. They could call themselves Kanye West for all they care. Sign up, no ID check, no nothing. Sign up, get into the app, and yeah, you know, you're in this car and you're on a freeway, you know, who knows? You can lock the door, and the same thing goes with passengers with drivers. A lot of drivers, you know, have hurt passengers. So I think rides should have dash cams in the car. I think there should be more. I think safety should be a higher priority for these gig companies. I think it's really important that they do, you know, prioritize safety right now, especially with everything going on. I mean, this is really sad. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end the video there, but I just wanted to make this video to raise awareness about this going on, and also just so people, you know, and maybe we could actually push Uber and Lyft and all these companies to increase awareness and increase safety in cars. I think every single driver should be gifted a dash cam to put in the car. You know, that way every ride is being tracked and no funny business is going on, and could have actually prevented something like this from happening. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video there. Thanks guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.